Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon Seller Central for dropshipping sourcing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Amazon Seller Central website. If you do not have an Amazon Seller account, select the register option on the homepage. Fill in the required information, including your business name, email address, and password. Once you complete the registration, verify your email to activate your account. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account using your new credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Now, set up your seller profile by clicking on the Settings option. Choose Account Info from the drop-down menu. Complete all necessary sections, including business information and tax details. Next, select the Inventory tab located on the top menu. Click on Add a Product to start listing items for sale. Decide whether to create a new listing or match an existing product. If creating a new listing, gather product details such as titles, descriptions, and images. Ensure your descriptions are clear, engaging, and optimized for search. For dropshipping, research reliable suppliers who will fulfill your orders directly. Communicate with your chosen suppliers to understand their shipping times and policies. Once you select a supplier, gather all necessary product information from them. Return to your Seller Central account and continue with your product listing. Fill in the product details accurately, making sure to highlight features and benefits. Set a competitive price while considering your profit margin. Choose the fulfillment method as merchant fulfilled. Make sure to specify your dropshipping process in the product fulfillment settings. Before going live, review Amazon's dropshipping policy to ensure compliance. Once satisfied with your listing, click on Save and Finish. Your product will now be live on Amazon for customers to see. Monitor your listings and adjust as needed based on customer feedback and sales data. Maintain clear communication with your supplier to ensure smooth order fulfillment. Regularly update your inventory to reflect changes in availability and pricing. By following these steps, you can successfully enable Amazon Seller Central for dropshipping sourcing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.